everyone, welcome to winsights.com. In this video, we will check out how to enable TFTP Client on Windows 11. We will use the run command to access Programs and Features window. Go to the run command and enter the command appwiz.cpl. You can find this command in this video description and you can also find it on winsights.com. Click on OK. Programs and Windows features will open now. Here on the left pane, click on Turn Windows features on or off. Here you can find lot of optional features. Scroll down and locate TFTP Client. Click on the checkbox next to it to enable it and finally click OK. Windows will now search for the required files and apply all the necessary changes. That's it. Windows has completed the requested changes. TFTP Client is now enabled on your Windows 11. You can safely close the window.